Every 90 seconds, somewhere in America, a farming giant is born. Steel becomes strength, bolts become backbone, and mistakes here can shut down an entire harvest tonight. We uncover how John Deere builds the tractors that feed the world. I'm Masood. Welcome to Built in America. This is John Deere's historic factory in Waterloo, Iowa, and according to company records, this plant has been building tractors here for more than 100 years today. It produces over 40,000 tractors every year, which means one finished machine every few minutes. The process begins long before assembly raw steel arrives by truck and rail. Some plates weigh more than 10,000 pounds. Cranes lift them onto cutting tables, and high-power lasers slice steel with accuracy within 1 millimeter, turning flat plates into frame rails in minutes. But here's what most people miss. If this cut is wrong, the entire tractor will twist under load, and that can destroy an engine in months. Next comes the frame shop. This is the skeleton, and according to John Deere engineers, each large tractor frame contains more than 2,500 pounds of welded steel. Robots weld the long seams, and human welders handle the stress points because these frames will pull more than 50,000 pounds in the field. Every weld is scanned, ultrasound checks for hidden cracks, and records show any defect larger than half a millimeter forces the part to be rebuilt, sometimes taking more than 8 full hours per frame. Then the frame moves to machining. Giant mills drill axle mounts as wide as dinner plates, and each hole must align within 1/10 of a millimeter, because if it's off, the tractor vibrates, bearings fail, and transmissions destroy themselves. Now the heart arrives, the engine producing more than 600 horsepower, weighing over 4,000 pounds. Technicians lower it into place, bolts lock it down, fuel lines connect, cooling systems snap in, and more than 500 feet of wiring and hoses run through one tractor. But here's the real challenge: these engines must run 16 hours a day during harvest season, because failure in the field can cost a farmer thousands of dollars per hour. Next comes the transmission. Some gearboxes contain more than 120 precision machine parts. Every gear is measured, every bearing preheated, and technicians install them by hand, because one grain of dust can destroy a transmission after a single season. Now the tractor begins to look alive. Axles roll underneath hydraulic pumps, slide into place. Cabs arrive fully assembled, and this is where modern farming begins with touchscreens, GPS steering, and computers guiding machines within 1 inch of accuracy. Then comes quality control, the quietest part of the factory. Lasers scan, alignment sensors test suspension, and computers run diagnostics as each tractor passes more than 1,000 separate checks before approval. Finally, the tractor rolls forward after nearly 20 hours of assembly, another American machine ready to work the land. But somewhere right now in fields across America, another harvest is already depending on a machine that has not been built yet.